Hello and welcome to another edition of Goa 365's Face to Face. Before I introduced my guest, I would like to put a thought forward. When we are young, we look at the clouds, we look at the birds, we look at the planes. And a lot of us have aspirations. They want to probably fly. It's always been one of man's dreams. So ultimately, planes were invented and we have pilots. Now today with me is a 21-year-old from Bogmalo, Rusalka Rodrigues, and she has just cleared her commercial pilot license, I think some time back. Exactly details she will give you. Rusalka, welcome to our show.
Hello.
Now Rusalka, tell us, how did your journey start? Okay, first you can tell us like what exactly is a CPL, because I don't know what's a CPL. Most of us will probably connected to a light. So you give us some details of what is a CPL
So,
and what you've done till date
yeah.
on this pilot issue.
So CPL is a commercial pilot license, and you get it after you complete 200 hours. So you
Offline?
Yeah, offline.
Okay.
So you either do it here in India or you can do it abroad. So I went to New Zealand and I completed my 200 hours there, and and then after you come back, so if you're doing it abroad, then in India you just need to give 3 papers, and then if you're doing it from India you need to give 7 papers. So I did my 200 hours there, came back, did those 3 papers, and now I need to submit my documents, and then I'll get a Indian CPL.
What is a commercial pilot license?
Commercial pilot license.
Okay, the recognition from India.
Yeah.
Okay.
And once I get that, then we can apply for jobs here as a first officer in the airlines.
You start off as a first officer?
Yeah, as a first officer.
Okay.
So as a trainee pilot and then as a first officer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you explained, now you said that you did 200 hours and then you had to answer some exam. Explain what 200 hours, what did you do when you went there? What did you do when you entered a plane? Or what was this, like how did you go? First you went into a propeller plane, small plane, training. Give us some details because people would like to know.
Okay, so all the training happens on a single engine aircraft.
Okay.
So like
first you go to a simulator?
No, directly. Yeah,
okay.
Directly.
Okay.
And so once we went there, then the first flight, so they'll just take you and so the first flight is aircraft familiarization, and then they just show you how an aircraft works, how do you turn, how do you climb, how do you descend.
Okay.
And then later on as you progress, then they'll teach you the emergency procedures on, like suppose you have an engine failure, what do you do then? Suppose the different emergencies. So they'll teach you how to do that, and then you have your first solo. So first solo is when you go alone.
Nobody is there?
No instructor.
Okay.
So you go alone.
What do you do? Like for example, now you have to sit in a plane and you start, but the instructor is there in your ear, I guess. Then what do you have a certain certain map or destination, something like that?
No, that is later on.
Okay.
So basically after your first solo, then there are more emergency procedures, and then there are more like different maneuvers, like a turn, a steep turn, like different maneuvers basically.
Okay.
And then in New Zealand you have something called as a private pilot license.
Okay.
And once you get that, that's when like you can carry a passenger with you.
Okay, like your learner's license or like
like your learner's license, but you cannot get paid for it. That's something about New Zealand.
Okay.
And after that, then you do cross country. So cross country is basically
maps and stuff.
Yeah, there you use your maps and stuff, and then you go to a different aerodrome, and then after that, then you have your CPL check, commercial pilot license flight check. And then after that you get your license.
Okay, now commercial flight, I'm sure you make it look very easy, but I don't think it's that easy. Now, these are single engine, then commercial, then you'll have to pilot the bigger ones, the bigger planes.
So the bigger planes is, after you get this done, then there is something called as a multi-engine type rating. And that's when, it's not a big plane, it's a multi-engine aircraft.
Twin engine.
Twin engine aircraft. And you do your type rating on that, and then later on when you come here, and now the further plan is, once I convert my license, then I'll go for type rating. So type rating depends, you want to do it in Airbus or you want to do it on Boeing.
Okay,
so after that, then you apply for the job.
Oh, so you got to practice here.
Yeah.
Okay, now these are the technical, this whatever you have explained to us. Now, let's go back. Now you were in, you grew up in Bogmalo, right? Regina Mundi?
Yeah, in Regina Mundi.
So how did you, were you also gazing at the skies and the birds? How did you decide to go in for a pilot? Because my issue is that I'm sure there were a lot of Goans girls who would like to also do this. So if you could just give them some inspiration how you went about it. But first, like, why did you decide to get into, why did you decide to become a pilot or flyer?
So as a kid, I used to like traveling a lot.
Okay.
And then that's when I knew that if I want to do something, then I would choose something related to traveling. So then in 6th, 7th standard, I started thinking about it. And like I was thinking about my career, like what I want to do. And my aunt was an air hostess. So later then, me and my mom were sitting one day, and then she was like, why don't you, research about being a pilot and how do you become one? So I used to search on Google, watch videos on YouTube. And then that's how in 7th standard I told mom
In
that
7th standard only you decided?
I
Wow.
told mom I want to become a pilot. So
Okay.
from 7th standard, if anyone asked, like, what do you want to do? I used to say
Pilot.
pilot. Yeah.
That's really nice. It shows a lot of focus and this. But then, how did you, like, okay, obviously you Googled. Then how did that journey start? First is the intent which you
Yeah.
showed, and then you did a little bit. But then how did it start?
So later on, after 10th, then I had to take science. Like I read
Okay.
on Google that we had to take science
Okay.
and stuff. So mom, she took me to Bangalore when I was after my 10th.
Okay.
And that's where we went to the school and we found out what it has to be done.
Flying school.
Yeah, to a flying school.
Okay.
But it, like, we thought it was a flying school, but it was just a office, and their
Okay.
flying school was in Philippines or somewhere.
Okay.
And then that's when, like, they told us that you need to take science now. So yeah, then 11th, 12th I took science and I was studying in Panchgini. And after that, then I came back here and we contacted this flight school. It was an agency,
Okay.
in ground class agency for those 3 papers I told you about.
Okay.
So then I went to Delhi. I was there for 3 months and then I had to do those theory classes.
Before you joined?
Yeah, before I went to New Zealand.
Okay. Before you started flying, you
Yeah.
had to do some theory.
Theory classes here.
Okay.
And also they suggested me to give the papers, but then there was I had to submit a document, and then that took a lot of time and it got rejected once, some document issue. And then so that is why then I went to New Zealand before giving the papers. Like I didn't-
Otherwise it could have been done
yeah,
in
it
India.
could have been done before I went to New Zealand. No, I wanted to go to New Zealand.
Okay.
But we need to give those 3 papers. So we can give it
Compulsory.
earlier or we
Or
can
later.
come in later.
Okay. I mean, a lot of documentation is there
Yeah,
for this.
there's a lot of documentation.
Basically, whether what you want to know or the.
No, basically all these passport and
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
just the documents.
Okay. So tell me one thing now. What would you want to do? Like now you've got this CPL. Now you got to submit some documents. You said or
Yeah.
another exam you have no.
No, I've completed the exam. Now I
Okay.
have to give. We need to do some flying hours in India as well.
Okay.
So I just did 20 hours in Aligarh. It's near Delhi, and now I'll be going to Bhopal to do it on the multi-engine. So I need to do 4 flight checks on those, and after that, then I'll submit my documents, and then whenever.
Document means basically how many hours you've done. That
Yeah,
those are-
all those documents, like my logbook and
Okay.
how many hours I've done. Basically, they need a proof that I've done all those
You've actually
hours.
done it.
Yeah, because we have a foreign license, na, so they have to know that we've done everything.
Okay.
So that all those documents.
And once that is done,
Once that is done, then I'm thinking of doing a type rating. I'm not
What is a
decided.
type rating?
Type rating is basically simulator hours on either a Airbus or a Boeing, whatever you choose.
Okay.
So I haven't thought like which one I want to choose yet, but yeah, either Boeing or Airbus, and then when jobs are
and
available.
then you got to apply for
yeah.
as a pilot. Okay, now I want to before we go into something else, like okay, how people can get into this and all, I want to know, when you went into a plane the first time, what was your feeling? What did you feel like when, of course, your instructor was there and all that, but when you actually started off, what did you feel?
Now I sat in the plane and the instructor was like, "Do you get scared of heights?" And I'm like, "No." And then he was like, "Do you know, if I do any maneuvers, like, will you get scared? Like, if I turn and stuff, will you get scared?" I was like, "No, I like all those stuff." And then he was like, "Okay, will you take off?" I'm like, "This is my first flight. how will I do it?" And then he's like, "You try. You'll be able to do it." And then he let me take off the first flight, and yeah.
You took off directly?
Yeah, but he was there with me.
Yeah, obviously, but
yeah.
he made you allowed, but he showed you.
Yeah, he showed me what to do,
Okay.
and then yeah.
So what was your feeling when he was asking you all these questions?
It was really good, and then we went on top, and then he's like, "Sure, you won't get scared?" I'm like, "No, I won't get scared." I like, "Let's see, we'll go on top and we'll see." And then when he was doing everything, I was enjoying it, and then he's like, "Okay."
Then they teach you step by step, or?
Yeah, step by step. Like, they have lessons of like 1 hour each. So like basic, like how do you climb, how do you descend. So like 1 hour each lessons.
And then you go in air and put it in practice?
Yeah.
Or this is on air only?
This is in air.
Okay. No
Yeah.
theory?
There is theory also. There are 14 papers you need to complete.
Okay, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Mostly maths and all that?
Yeah, maths and physics.
Okay, all that?
And about the weather, law.
Law?
Yeah, aviation law.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how, like in a normal 8 or 9 hours, how was your normal day like in this?
So day for the first 3 months, it was we had class from 8 to 5.
Theory
Papers.
8 to 5?
Yeah.
It's like normal school day.
Yeah, normal school only. And then after that, then from 8 to 5 we had to be in the academy. Like we used to have either 1 flight or 2 flights in a day. And then once we started our cross country, so that is after PPL and stuff, like private pilot license, then we had to go on cross country. So cross countries are for 4 hours, 5 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then the theory becomes less.
Yeah, then the theory, once you finish the 14 papers, the theory is done.
So that is 3 months or whatever?
Yeah, that is 3 months.
Approximately 3 months.
Approximately 3 months. So I had difficulty in the theory because I couldn't clear it and stuff initially.
Okay.
And I had a time where like I thought I cannot do
Couldn't
it.
go through.
I used to call mom, I'm like, "No, I want to come back. I can't do it." But yeah, then it was.
What, maths was problem? Physics?
Yeah, maths.
Yeah, a lot of people. But
Yeah.
you need a lot of maths for this?
Basic stuff like. But
It means
there are some complex sums and stuff, but yeah, mostly it's a basic multiply, divide.
okay. But why do you need that while you're flying a plane? I mean, I'm just curious.
For the smaller planes, you need it. For
To do the calculation.
to do those basically like fuel calculations
I
and
see.
endurance and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also navigation, map
Yeah,
navigation.
navigation. Now it is everything, or like on a
Yeah,
bigger
everything-
airline, everything
exactly.
is automated.
Computers and all that stuff. I mean, that's what we see also when you go movies and all.
Yeah.
So, are you actually going to become to go and fly one of those Boeings? So, suppose if like I'm going to Delhi or Bombay, or are you planning on being one of those pilots?
Yeah, that is.
You've decided?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, I'm sure there must be, you have achieved this. There are a lot of girls, women in Goa, in India. I don't know how many, but I'm sure there. But I'm sure that there must be more people also who want to become pilots. So what would you speak to them? What advice would you give them?
My advice would be, for anyone, like if you want to choose a career, then think about it from a young age. Like in
But 7th standard? That's like really young.
yeah, then that's how you think about it. You research about it, and yeah. So basically, like think about it and research and yeah.
No, but like you mean to say you have to be focused, right?
Yeah,
you need
be
to
focused.
You cannot give up.
Yeah,
It's important.
don't give up. Like there will be times where you'll feel like no, you can't do it and you want to give up.
Okay.
But you have to be focused and if you like work hard and you can succeed.
You need to put in a lot of effort.
Yeah.
Focus.
Basically focus and a little bit of hard work.
How much influence has your mom your family been on you on this?
A lot. They've like always supported me. When I told mom that I want to become a pilot, like to become a pilot, it's a huge amount.
Expensive.
Like, it's expensive. So she like supported me. She never said like, you know, she didn't even think about it twice. And she's like, okay, you want to do it, go for it.
She encouraged you.
Yeah, they were always there to support me. And if I ever like, you know, I used to call them and I used to cry, I miss you. And they're like, no, you'll come back soon, don't cry.
What age you went to New Zealand? 17?
19.
19. Okay.
Yeah.
Young.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Tell us a little bit of what type of person you are. What would now if say if I was Rusaka and you were Glenn, so what would you think about me? What would you think a person I am like?
I would portray myself maybe hardworking and like if I decide to do, if I want to do something, then I'll do it.
Okay. You've always been like that?
Yeah.
Fun loving?
Yes.
Friends?
Yeah.
Lots of friends?
Not lots of friends, but I have friends, and like I believe in like quality. And I have friends, if like all my school friends are still with, like, you know, I still talk to them and stuff.
Have you thought about like, okay, now you're going to become a pilot, have you thought about more than like okay, from Airbus you're going to Boeing, you're going somewhere else, going abroad, anything like that?
Yeah,
a lot of opportunities are there
initially
as a pilot?
No, now there's nothing as of now.
Bit of a
like,
slack because of the
because
virus
of COVID. Yeah, there are no jobs and stuff, but they are coming slowly.
Okay.
So initially I was planning to go abroad first, but then now the thing is, in India you get a job after you finish 200 hours.
Okay.
But abroad they need experienced pilot. So like you need to have 700, 800 hours to get into a airline. So that is why I'll initially work here and build those hours, and then if I want to, then
Then you can decide.
Yeah, then I'll just.
But 200 hours means how many trips would that be? Like 200 trips? Normally
Normally when you go on a flight, it
Local
is like
flight,
on a
Indian
local
flight.
flight it is like an hour
Okay.
or so. And then when you go for cross country, as I said earlier, it is
That is
4
longer.
hours, 5 hours.
Okay.
So yeah.
No, but commercially now, how long would a normal trip be like in India?
It depends. Now from here to Delhi it's 2.5 hours.
Okay.
So yeah,
So it depends on that.
Depends
on the flight, where you are.
yeah, where you're going, what sector you have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. So what, like, besides the focus and the consistency, hard work, anything you would want to give the youth of Goa, some message for people who want to become pilots specifically?
So biggest message would be that here in Goa we don't have anyone, you know, like I am not from a aviation background, so I didn't know anything, and I just went through the institute in Delhi, the ground classes in Delhi. I just contacted them. Yeah, like you need
You don't
to
have to be from that background base. That's what you're trying to say, no?
Yeah, you can. Anyone can become, if you just research properly and talk to many people.
Okay.
Like just don't talk to one person and then just do that. Take advice from many people, from different people. Research about it on different
Mm.
websites. So yeah.
Today, big advantage is the Google website. You can basically you can get any information.
And even YouTube, like all the captains, like the current pilots, like airline pilots, they have their own YouTube channels, many of them, and they give you advice. They have their own videos on how do you become one, what papers you need to. Yeah,
they help.
They help. And even if you like message them on any like on Instagram, if you message them, there are some people who will message you and stuff.
But I think this holds good not only for flying or being a pilot, but this generally holds good for anybody. You don't really need to be from that particular background if you want to do something. I think if you want to do something, it's much easier today, no, probably than what it was earlier. I think, because of YouTube.
Because of YouTube and social media.
Google.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Rusalka. It was a pleasure, and I wish you best of luck in your future, in whatever you want to do. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me here today.
It was a
Thank-
pleasure. It was a
thank you.
pleasure. And keep watching Goa 365.